Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will be showing you guys how to do a backflip on a trampoline. So, we're going to show you how, and I'm going to get Jackson to record me. So when you're backflipping, you gotta bounce. Then when you turn, you gotta tuck. But I get way too much air, so say that you only get like this much air right here. Just like tuck. Just what I used to do is I used to go like this, get used to tucking, and then Jackson will show you some more stuff.
And also, wherever your head points to, that's where you want to go. Because when I do, from this, you see that my head is laid back, like that. So you have to make sure your head's pointing straight back. And if it's straight, then you're not going to go anywhere. So, move your arms, tuck, head back.
Yeah. There you go. So usually, when like someone in my family wants to learn how to do a flip, my dad grabs us by the legs, he grabs us by the shirt, he kneels, he bounces us, and then we just tuck.
And fun fact, Keaton's dad actually taught me how to backflip too.
It's super fun.
Like this. And back again.
Okay, so when you do it, make sure you lean your head back, and sometimes just get like your parent to grab your shirt or your like pant legs, and then bounce, then tuck, and then you head back. Jackson will show you some. So, oh, here he goes again. Can't really do them standing yet. Like, I can do them standing. I can also do them on the ground. But if you're doing them on the ground, you gotta get your parents to have a mat on the ground or whatever. And,
oh dear.
and then get your parents to hold you. So if you do under rotate or over rotate, then you know you won't get hurt. But your parents have to try to flip you too. So, Jackson, come hold this.
I'll do first.
Okay. So when you're doing it, if you stay tucked for too long, you go.
No.
So, tuck for enough time. But if you under tuck, you go like this. Like if you under rotate, you'll often land on your nose.
And
so,
then, yeah.
I think a few times I've actually done standing one and over rotated. Sometimes that'll happen.
And there's also like a few different kinds of backflips, like Caden will show you. It's called the gainer. Where you jump forward and do a backflip like this.
So he jumps forwards and does a flip, and this is how I do it. Okay. So I got enough room? Okay, so this is how I do it. I like walk or run into it, one foot on the ground, just flip, and you'll see this in a second. That's the gainer. But what Jackson does is he goes like this. He jumps forwards before. So, he'll show you one more time. Wait, do that again. Okay, we're gonna videotape your feet this time. See where he lands. Watch where he takes off and watch where he lands. He took off like right there and landed like right there. Yeah, like right there. So, I think that'll be it for today. write down comments, write what type of stuff you want to learn in the comments, and we'll probably do. So make sure to subscribe, like the video, and share it with all your friends. And always get your parents to help you unless you know how to.
Squash it, not copyright.
Okay, see you next vid. Bye.